okra egg. Hey, I'm going to do this. I have my okra here. I have my okra. This is my okra. I have my eggs. I don't know whether I'll use these 2 eggs. Man, I don't go waste egg. One now how much? One egg now how much? I'll come waste the 2. I don't know whether the thing goes sweet. And they fear. Now I'll use one. Oh. Chop it round shape. Chopping it. So, but someone was saying that normally that we're supposed to obey me, the food critic was saying that normally in other countries that okra is used in doing so many things that we are supposed to unlearn or we are supposed to relearn. Is it unlearn or relearn? More things that okra is used for. That we should learn more things. Like okra is not only used for soup. Okay, oh. Because okra as a plant grows in other places, and those places it grows, they don't cook soup. So that means they use the said okra or okra. Is it okra or okra? To do so many things. So I'm going to pour in a bowl. So I already cut okra and I have my egg. I break my egg. Oh, I'm breaking my 2 eggs. It's okay. Pour inside this. Pour it inside. I put my salt, seasoning cube. Please let it in. I don't know how it's going to taste. My pepper. Okay, and I'm stirring. Look at it here. So I'm pouring my oil inside the pan. So it's time to taste, to see how it's tasting. Moment of truth.
Maybe to use chopstick.
It's not sweet. It's not sweet.
Hey, it's just as if you are just chewing okra. You know when you cook okra soup and you chew the maybe bunch of okra. That's why it's just okra. No, the egg taste is not tasting out. Well, I know this thing might be healthy because of okra. It might be a healthy meal though. Let me give it to her to taste. Maybe. Oh yeah. Chew. How is it tasting?
Okra.
Tasting like what?
Okra. What's it sweet?
It's sweet. I take another one. She likes it. Oh yeah, chew and tell us how it is.
It's sweet.
How is it taste?
Well, I haven't actually
Okay.
gotten the particular. The texture is not actually giving, but I think.
Are you obey? It's like it's obeying me, the food
No.
critic. Oh yeah, how is it like?
The okra
Uh-huh.
is drawing like it's like okra. It's like it should be like I didn't. It can be used better for pepper soup, okra and egg stuff.
You don't finish about.
Like if you try this one now, it's up this side. This side is more done.
Hey,
Like, it has,
what the? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Sweet.
You like it?
It's a mouth.
How is it tasting? No, move your phone. Too long. You're looking for egg. How does it taste like?
Sweet.
It's sweet. They say they like it though. Why are you smelling it?
Sorry.
How does it taste like? How is it tasting now?
Good. Oh yeah, this. It's sweet.
It's sweet.
It's my own food.
It has gone though. So I give it 6/10. It's okay. It's okay. It's nice. And it will be very healthy. Will you try yours?